is Gandhi Jayanti. So we will be making something on Gandhi Jayanti today. So keep your paper vertical like this, and you have to make it quite big. So our drawing should be this much. Okay. So just make it quite big. So start with number 2. So I'm starting here with number 2, a very big number 2, like this. Okay. So very big. So then from here, we will make the cheeks. So these are the cheeks and this is the chin. And then we will just join it here, just like that. So this is the face. And now we are going to make the specs. So these are just eyes. And it will go back. Okay. And from here we will make the ear. So ear is like number 3. Okay. So it's very quite easy drawing and simple. So from here we will be making the nose. So this is the nose, and then the mouth. So this is the mustaches and this is the lower lip. Okay. So this is our Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. So I'm just making minor correction. So just lifting the forehead a little big. Okay. So it's very easy. You know how to. Yeah. So it was little short. So I just extended it. So for you, you can see whether the correction is required or not. If it is not required, then don't do it. If it is required, then you can do it. Okay. Okay. So this is Mahatma Gandhi with number 2. So let's make the body now. So the face is done. So from here, from the chin line like this, we will start the body. So this is 1. And then we have another curve. So this is a little bigger than this. And then 3 and 4 and 5. Like this we have to join. Okay. So, and from this side, we'll start from the chin and we will make the first curve like this. So this is 1, and then this will come little big. So 2, then 3, and then 4. So this is the, so it's very easy and simple method. So you have seen that with number 2, we have derived Mr. Mahatma Gandhi very easily, right? So you can make minor correction here and there if it is required. So I'm making minor correction in the chin, a little bit. So just making the chin a little big, like this and like this. Okay. So, and he's having some lines on the forehead. So you can just make few lines. So this is Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. So now you can outline it with the permanent marker. So I'm just outlining it with the permanent marker. So people who have joined late, they can see how I have drawn. So as I'm outlining, the same way I have done the drawing. So this is number 2. Okay. So please, everybody who have joined late, yes, you can outline with sketch pen as well. No issues. So this is the year. Okay. So people who have joined late, please, I'm repeating the procedure. Please check it. So I have made a number 2 like this. And then I made the goggles from here, this one. And then I extended and made the cheeks and chin and neck. Okay. So this is the nose and lips. So this is how. And then I made the body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curve on this side and 5 curve on this side in the increasing order. So the size of the curve is increasing. It's getting bigger and bigger. Okay. And these are the eyes. So there are some lines in the forehead. So this is Mr. Gandhi. And now we are going to color it. So I'm just erasing my pencil mark. So erase the pencil mark. And then start coloring. So we need orange and green color. Since we are making this one, so this is how we have to color it. So this is orange on the top and green at the bottom. And in between we will be using light blue oil pastel color. Okay. So take out your oil pastel color. So you can do orange till here like this on the top, and then this green at the bottom like this. Okay. So don't fill it inside. See, you need to join on time because the session is only for half an hour. Okay. If you will join late, then you will not be able to complete it. So once the green color is done, I will just repeat it once. Okay. So I'm repeating it again. Please, who have joined late, please listen carefully, pay attention. So I just started from here and made a number 2 like this. Okay. So this is number 2. So what I did is, I've just made number 2. I'm repeating it. Please pay attention. I made number 2. Okay. And then from here, I just made the specs like this, then the ears, and from here I made the chin and cheeks, then like this. So from here I made the nose and lips. So it became small, that's why it is looking like this. So the curve for the chin and cheek will come like this. Okay. Then I made the nose and lips. The drawing is very easy. How to draw Gandhi? Okay. Then from here, from this line, cheek line, I just drew 4 to 5 curves like this. And from here, chin line, I just drew 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 curve like this. So this is the body. Okay. So I hope everybody has understood now. So now I'm just doing the orange color. I'm using oil pastel. You can use pencil color, sketch pen, or whatever is available with you. Please do the coloring carefully and neatly. Okay, I'm just moving it upside down so that it can be faster. Okay, so I'm done with the drawing and coloring. So only the light blue part is left. So just along the line, you have to do very light. Repeat the chin. Sonakshi is asking, repeat the chin. Okay, so chin will come like this. See, this is number 2. So this is number 2, and these are the specs, ears, and chin will come like this. So this is the cheeks and chin. So this is cheeks, and this is chin, and this is neck. So the nose and the lips like this. So from here we will start the body. Okay. So I hope it is understood. Okay. So now just smudge it with the floor. So I'm just smudging the blue color with the cloth. Rest all you don't need to smudge. You can just leave it like that. Just smudge it a little. Okay. So done, ma'am. Advika is saying. Okay, Advika, very good. So I will just check for everybody. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. Please complete it. Whoever has not done it, if you have any doubt, type it in the chat. So this was very easy and simple. Okay.